What if you could start changing your life today? Not tomorrow, not next week, but right now. Imagine, no more waiting, no more someday. Just you, taking action, right here, right now. Have you been dreaming of a new goal, but you're still procrastinating on it? Staring at those goals like they'll magically do themselves? Well, newsflash, that's not happening. Waiting until tomorrow to change could be the very reason you're feeling stuck. What if tomorrow never comes? What if by waiting you're only setting yourself back further and further? Imagine the cost, staying trapped in old habits, missing out on a better version of yourself. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. The solution is way simpler than you think. So, how can you start breaking free from the cycle of procrastination? Let's say you want to quit sugar. Don't stress about a complete overhaul. Instead, start today by removing one chocolate bar from your house, or just pick one day of the week where you won't touch any sugar. Yes, just one day. That's all it takes to start the momentum. Think of it this way. It's like training for a marathon, by walking to the fridge. Or maybe you want to start exercising regularly? Don't overthink it. Just do 3 push-ups and 3 squats right now. Tomorrow, add 1 more rep. It might seem tiny, but guess what? Small steps lead to giant leaps. You're building a foundation for the habit. Soon, you'll find yourself craving more movement. Want to save money? Take a single dollar out of your wallet and drop it in a jar. Yeah, just $1. Do that daily, and in 3 months, you'll have $100 saved. More importantly, you'll have built a habit, something you can keep building on. But here's the twist. What if I told you that this tiny action today could be the key to unlocking your future? Look, don't wait for a perfect moment. That doesn't exist. The only moment you have is now. Don't obsess over the future. Don't overthink the details. Just start. Today. It's one small habit, but it could be the most important one you ever form. So, what's stopping you? Go on. Close this video and do something, even if it's a single push-up or $1 in a jar. Because here's the truth. Life changes don't happen someday, they happen today. And you're just one tiny step away from breaking free of procrastination forever. So go, make it count.